This is Obichoma. I reporting from Inwele Study and Resource Center in Enugu, Nigeria, West Africa. Recipe for curbing brain drain in Nigeria. I want us Nigerians to know that the resources for making our country better, for developing our country, that are in our hands and that are around us, that we shouldn't go out looking for it. We should believe in ourselves. Okay, sometimes most people, or let me put it to youths, most youths, they just come every time they want to go outside the country to seek for greener pastures. Why the things we have for developing our country that are within us? Yes, the government, everybody try to blame the government that the country is not developed and every other thing. But the development of our country is not only dependent on the government, but we, the citizens of the country, we should equally help in the development of our country. For example, farming. People take farming as a poor man's job. Whereas when I'm talking about farming, I'm not talking about the subsistence way of farming. I'm talking about the commercial one. When you want to do a commercial farming, you can go to the government and lend loans. They can give you loans. Then you make use of the mechanized system of farming. And in that way, you've already employed yourself. And that same way, you've already helped in employing others, because many other persons, you're not going to be the one to plow, to harvest, and to do every other thing. So in that way, you're already employing others. In that way, creating employment opportunities. You see, that's not coming from the government alone. Then some of our youths, when they travel, I'm not saying that the idea of traveling out is bad, but when you travel, you come back and make impact in your country, at least for 1 year. When you go over there, you study, you come back, you do some things. And I suggest that the government equally, they should help. When people who go out to study, when they come back to help in the development of our country, they themselves, they should kind of give them accommodation. They should give them accommodation. Then secondly, kind of incentive in order to entice and motivate them in their works. And in this way, I believe in no long time our country will be developed. Thank you. Once again, this is Obichoma reporting from Inwele Resource and Study Center in Enugu, Nigeria, West Africa.